Hi students, good morning. This is your Ravi sir. You are going to learn maths with Ravi sir. See, today we are going to learn about a topic name is circles. So around us you have seen so many things. Example, round objects about a wheel, a bangles, a coin. These are the round objects. These objects resembles about a circle. A circle, a definition is given here. A circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Circle is not a polygon. It is a simple closed curve. सर्कल जो है वो पॉलीगन नहीं है. ये क्या है? एक क्लोज्ड कर्व है. पूरी तरह से कर्व क्लोज्ड है. इस तरह से पूरी तरह से क्या होता है? ये बंद होता है. इट हैज़ many parts. Let's see. First of all, in circle we discuss with about radius. See, this is a simple closed curve and this is the center of the circle. We represent this center of the circle by O, and this is the point on a circle. I have given point name is A. So if you draw a line segment from with center O to A, so this is the line segment. This is called radius of the circle. Radius usually is represented by small r. Radius को small r से represent करते हैं. So if you want to draw another radius, see from center towards on a circle, means here if you take a point, another point B, and you draw this another line segment from O to B, this is called a radius of the circle. So in this way you can draw so many radius on a circle. This is the radius of the circle and this is the center of the circle. Next part, diameter. See, this is the line segment passing through the center of the circle. See, this is the center of the circle, and this is a point A and this is a point B. Both the points on a circle, and this line segment is passing on a passing from center of the circle. So if any line segment passing from the center of the circle is, it is called diameter. Okay student. Next one is chord. Okay, see, this is also like line segment. One point, both points are on a circle, but this line segment is not passing from the center. ये center से नहीं पास हो रहा है. देखो यहाँ पे भी दो पॉइंट है, सर्कल के ऊपर ही दो पॉइंट, मगर डिफरेंस क्या है इसमें और इसमें? ये सेंटर से नहीं पास हो रहा है, तो इसको हम कहते हैं कॉर्ड. सो अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज a diameter is also chord. देखो, see both the points are on a circle, so diameter is also a chord. Next one is sector. See, OA is the radius, OB is the radius, this is the arc AB. It is called arc AB. So if you want to form a sector, you need two radii and one arc like this, and this is minor sector. इसको हम कहते हैं minor sector. Okay. Next part, important point is segment. See, this is the chord, we have learned about this, and this is the arc PQ. So if you want to form a segment, you need one chord and one arc. So in this way, this is called segment. Okay, so this is a minor segment and this is a major segment. Now another point is arc. See, if you take, this is a point P and here point Q, here some point A, this is point P and this is point Q, and if you take, this is some other point, so this arc, semicircle, this is called arc. Okay, and this is a minor arc and this one is the major arc. See student, now let's see exercise 4.6. Question number 1, from the figure identify the center of the circle, 3 radii, a diameter, a chord, 2 points in the exterior, and a point in the exterior, and 2 points in the interior, and this one is exterior. A sector, a segment. Okay, you have to identify these points from the figure. First of all, see, this figure is given here. You can see this is the figure. From this figure we have to identify the center of the circle. What is the center? O. That is the answer. That much only you have to write. And we have to identify 3 radii from this figure. In the same way, whatever has been asked, we have to identify from this figure and we have to give the answer. Let's see. See, the center of the circle, the same figure I have drawn here. This is O. What is the center here? O, na? So the center of circle is O. 3 radii. Radii means radius. Singular is radius and plural is radii. So from figure OA, see, OA is the radius, OC is the radius, and OB is the radius. So you can write OC, OA, and OB. These are the radius. Okay. Next one is diameter. A line segment passing from the center of the circle. Center से जाना चाहिए. So AC is the diameter. See student, now a chord. We have to represent a chord. See, this is the figure. So from this figure I explain you, this is the diameter because it is passing from the center, and OA is the radius, and OC is the radius, OB is the radius. Now we have to find out chord. See, a line segment, both points on a circle. This is the point E and this is the point D. Both points on a circle. See, but it is not passing from the center. ये है हमारा chord है. इसका नाम क्या है? ED. And I explain you, diameter is also a chord. If you want to write, just write it. Now 2 points in the interior of the circle. इंटीरियर का मतलब होता है सर्कल के अंदर कौन से पॉइंट्स है वो बतानी है. सी, इंटीरियर का मतलब होता है सर्कल के अंदर. तो अंदर कौन से पॉइंट्स है? दिस इज द पॉइंट ओ, इट इज़ इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल, एंड पॉइंट पी, ये भी सर्कल के अंदर है. बाकी सब देखोगे ये सारे पॉइंट्स सर्कल के ऊपर है ना, अंदर है. अंदर नहीं है, सभी क्या है? पॉइंट के ऊपर है. तो केवल 2 ही पॉइंट्स है. ओनली देर आर 2 पॉइंट्स इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्कल, दैट इज पॉइंट ओ एंड दैट इज द अनदर पॉइंट इज. नाउ वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई अ पॉइंट इन द एक्सटीरियर. एक्सटीरियर का मतलब होता है बाहर. सर्कल के बाहर कौन से पॉइंट है वो बतानी है हमें. सी, दिस इज द पॉइंट क्यू. अभी सर्कल के बाहर एक ही पॉइंट है, आप वो पॉइंट है पॉइंट क्यू. So you write just point Q is the outside of the circle. Now a sector. We have to identify the sector from a figure. OAB, shaded region. See, this is the figure. OA, OB. This is the radius, and this is the radius, and this is the arc. So if you want to draw a sector, you need 2 radii and 1 arc. This is called a sector. Okay, this shaded region, ये shaded region आपको दिख रहा है, इसको हम कहते हैं sector. What is the name of this? OAB. Now a segment. We have to identify the segment from the figure. Answer is ED, shaded region. See, this is the figure ED. This is the point E. This is the point D. This is the line segment, and this is the semicircle arc. Okay. So if you want to draw a segment, you need 1 line segment, and this is the arc. So it will form a segment. This shaded portion, look at this from the figure. Also, you can identify very easily. This part is called segment. This is the minor segment and rest all is major segment, but we have to discuss only about segment only. Okay, now see question number 2. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? So if you means you want give means you have to give answer in yes or no, true or false. यानी यहाँ पे ऐसा पूछ रहा है कि डायमीटर सर्कल का डायमीटर कॉर्ड बन सकता है. यस, आंसर इज यस, बिकॉज सी दिस इज द डायमीटर एंड बोथ द दिस लाइन सेगमेंट बोथ एंडिंग पॉइंट्स आर ऑन सर्कल. ये लाइन सेगमेंट के एंड पॉइंट सर्कल के ऊपर ही है देखो, तो और ये सेंटर से पास हो रहा है, तो डायमीटर भी क्या बन सकता है, कॉर्ड बन सकता है. यस, डायमीटर इज ऑल्सो अ कॉर्ड. यू राइट द आंसर यस, अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट ट्रू. नेक्स्ट, इज एवरी कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल ऑल्सो डायमीटर? तो कॉर्ड जो है वो डायमीटर बन सकता है? नहीं, डायमीटर बनने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, सेंटर से पास होना चाहिए. तो कॉर्ड जो है डायमीटर नहीं बन सकता, बट डायमीटर क्या बन सकता है, कॉर्ड. इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट.